Hi everyone! I'm so excited today because I'm showing you how to use my favorite beauty device. I know you agree, dealing with unwanted facial hair is a constant struggle. We need an easy, quick, and painless way to erase hair on our upper lips, chins, and cheeks. That's why we have the Finishing Touch Flawless, the instant and painless facial hair remover. This beauty device is absolutely perfect for lips and chin touch-ups or for removing peach fuzz instantly. So, let's show you how it works. First, you have to install the battery and get things running. The unit does come with a AA battery. You just slide that in, put the pieces back together, and you're good to go. Now, using the Finishing Touch Flawless is incredibly easy. Slide the switch located on the side of the unit upward onto the on position. You'll see a light that turns on telling us the device is active. To begin, gently press the 18-karat gold-plated head flat against your skin and make small circular motions to begin removing unwanted hair. It's super easy to use. It's gentle on your skin. The Finishing Touch Flawless requires no soap, water, or lotion when removing your unwanted hair. It's safe for everyday use. For best results, we suggest replacing the head every 3 to 4 months. And if the device ever starts to slow down or get sluggish, be sure to clean out the head. If the problem persists, change the battery. You'll be using this every day, never again worrying about nicks, cuts, redness, or irritation. Hair? Where?